In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude to Gmail. This is a handy feature that can make managing your emails much easier. By using Claude's built-in Gmail connector, you can let Claude search through your emails, summarize conversations, draft replies, and organize your inbox. All of this is done without the need to copy and paste messages. It's important to note that Claude will only access your Gmail after you give it permission through your Google account. To get started, you'll need to sign in to Claude. You can do this through your web browser or by using the desktop app. Signing in ensures that you're ready to access all the features Claude has to offer. Once you're signed in, look for the Settings or Customize option. This is where you'll find all the tools to tailor Claude to your needs. After that, select Connectors, or you might see it labeled as Connect Your Tools. This section is where Claude can be integrated with various services. Finding Gmail in this list is your next step. Once you see Gmail, simply click Connect. It's an intuitive process and should be straightforward. Next, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This is a crucial step because it links Claude with your Gmail. Make sure to use the account you want Claude to access. Once you're signed in, carefully review the permissions that are being requested. It's essential to understand what you're allowing, so take a moment here. When you're comfortable, click Allow. This step is vital because it ensures Claude can access Gmail when you need it to. Now that you're connected, you can start using Claude to manage your emails. You might ask it to summarize your unread emails from this week. This can save you time by giving you a quick overview without having to open each message. Or, if you're looking for specific information, you could ask, "Find emails from John about the project proposal." This targeted search is a real time saver when you're sifting through a busy inbox. You can also have Claude draft a reply to your latest email from Sarah. It's a great way to get started on your response, and you can personalize it further before sending. And if you're ever unsure about your pending tasks, just ask Claude, "Are there any emails I still need to respond to?" This feature helps you stay on top of your communications. One of the reassuring aspects of using Claude with Gmail is that it provides citations. These citations link back to the original emails it used. This means you can always verify the responses Claude generates, ensuring accuracy and reliability. Claude can do quite a lot with your Gmail. It can search and read your messages, summarize email threads, and even create drafts in Gmail. Organizing emails using labels and threads becomes a breeze. Plus, Claude can list your saved drafts so you can access them quickly. However, it's important to note that Claude cannot send emails on your behalf. It can prepare drafts for you, but you'll need to review and send them yourself. This is actually a good thing, as it gives you full control over your communications. So, there you have it. By connecting Claude to Gmail, you unlock a range of features that streamline your email management. This integration is designed to save you time and help keep your inbox organized. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.